This is Bobby Sprocket, AI for the Culture, where we explore how artificial intelligence is actually shaping real world work, creativity, and community without the hype. Let's get into it. Will robots replace physical work? Welcome to Bobby Sprocket, AI for the Culture, where we break down artificial intelligence in a way that's clear, grounded, and actually useful, especially for creatives, communities, and real world applications. Let's get into it. In the last episode, we talked about the difference between AI and robotics. In this episode, I want to focus on the question a lot of people are quietly asking. Will robots replace physical work? Part 1. Why this feels real. This concern isn't coming from nowhere. If you look at warehouses, manufacturing, and logistics, robots are already being used to move, sort, and organize physical goods. Companies are investing heavily in automation because it can increase efficiency, reduce errors, and operate continuously. So from the outside, it can look like physical jobs are being slowly replaced. And in some cases, they are. Part 2. What robots are actually good at. But it's important to understand what robots are actually designed to do well. Robots are most effective in environments that are predictable, repetitive, structured. Assembly lines, sorting systems, warehouse logistics. These are controlled environments where tasks don't change much. In those situations, automation can make sense. Part 3. Where things break down. Where robotics becomes more difficult is in the environments that are unpredictable, constantly changing, dependent on human judgment. Real world work is often messy. It involves improvisation, communication, and decision making that isn't easily reduced to a fixed set of instructions. That's where humans still have a strong advantage. Part 4. The real shift. So instead of thinking in terms of total replacement, it's more accurate to think in terms of task level automation. Certain parts of a job may be automated, especially repetitive tasks, while other parts remain human. This changes jobs more often than it eliminates them entirely. Part 5. What this means for people. The real shift is not just technological, it's about adaptation. People who understand how these systems work can position themselves differently. Managing systems, improving workflows, combining human judgment with automation. The risk isn't just automation, it's being disconnected from how the systems are evolving. Part 6. Culture and reality check. And just like with AI, robotics does not carry intention, values, or culture. A robot can move objects, but it doesn't understand meaning, context, or human relationships. Those still belong to people. So the question isn't simply, will robots replace physical work? It's, which parts of the work can be automated, and where does human judgment still matter? This episode is part of Bobby Sprocket, AI for the Culture, a series focused on helping creatives, organizers, and cultural institutions understand artificial intelligence in a clear, responsible way. If this topic connects with your work, I also translate this material into live seminars and facilitated discussions. Links are in the description, and I'll see you in the next episode.